Hi everyone, this is Casera with LiftedTrucks.com. We're only weeks away from Christmas and are pleased to announce that we are supporting the Salvation Army Christmas Angel program at all of our Valley locations. Every tag on a Christmas angel tree represents a real child in our community along with their Christmas wishes. 30 years ago, I was a Christmas angel child myself. Both of my parents were in recovery and we needed a little bit of help. The social worker came in, they asked us as children what we would like, and they delivered it. He got us a Christmas tree, he got us food, and they provided everything. The program was beautiful and it was awesome. And even now, 30 years later, I remember the gift I received as a child because it really meant a lot to me. And now that I'm older and I have my own child, I make sure we do it every single year. Since I've been working, I make sure I provide Christmas gifts to children who are just like me. I know it does good, and I know kids appreciate it, and I know the families that are in need appreciate it. If anyone would like to donate, please visit any of our Arizona locations and pick an angel tag from the Christmas tree. For directions and more information, please visit LiftedTrucks.com.
We'll talk a cup of kindness yet for all.